So YouTube, good afternoon. How are you doing? I am coming at you from my office and I have a video that I want to do today. It is the unboxing, quite literal unboxing. Haven't been opened before. Two of my journals that I made and uploaded for KDP just about for free. So I'm going to show you the videos and then I'll talk about how I did it a little bit. So that noise was me opening the package before everybody goes and leaves. So let's see how they look. Oh, it is as pretty as I thought it would be. Look, you guys. Children's first journal. I made this on Canva and then I uploaded it to KDP. And this is what it looks like. Oh, isn't that pretty? I like it. That's just a regular old journal that young kids can write in. Didn't really have a lot. I just wanted to start learning the process and seeing how it goes. I am absolutely tickled. Then this one here, Child's First Journal. It does need to be a lot thicker, but this says about me. I know it's kind of backwards there for you guys. And then it is in black and white. But it's got different prompts all the way through the journal that they can do. My favorite toy. They can name a unicorn in one of them. They can draw things, write things. It is perfect for small children to draw and write in. I think they are absolutely beautiful. So what I did do was I had gone to Etsy and found these very pretty commercial use rights digital background that I could upload and use either in the Canva templates that I made. I do specifically go to the seller and make sure they are good with that. And then, because it's not in PDF format all the time, this one was. And see, it's got the little wide lines for the children to be able to write in and everything. So I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So anyway, I did go to Etsy first, and I can link the seller down below. And then from there, I created them in different formats. I actually have a mom's journal that I finally got. I redid that portion of it that it said need to be redone. I was going to actually do that video, but my computer did not have enough storage space on it for the video, so I recorded everything, never did upload. It's one thing about Screencast-O-Matic. It doesn't say, your computer is too full at this moment. And if I'm uploading it to YouTube, why does it have to be the memory on the computer? And go figure on that note. But I am absolutely, as you can tell, thrilled as to how they came out. So, Child's First Journal. I'll leave these links down below if you guys want to buy them. Buy and share to your friends. I think they're both listed right about $5 to $6 here. But yes, that one did turn out absolutely gorgeous. And so then I actually did sell it in a different format as well, being the PLR version. Not this exact one, but one that I made and went through the prompts and everything. So it's very similar to the Child's First Unicorn Journal, to this one here. It is very close to that. And so you can actually go onto KDP after you go into Canva and do I'll link the video up here-ish, around that area, for you to click on it so you can see how I did it. And then when I get another video, another email that I have to redo a journal, I will actually do a KDP part 2. And then I've got some very exciting things coming up regarding KDP and other places that you can sell these wonderful journals at. Yay! Now that I know that they look so nice, I'm actually going to see what I can do to get the cost down and sell them in person at a place that they told me they would sell them for me at. And maybe some other places, so we'll see. So far, these two journals have brought in right about I'm not saying this to brag. I'm just saying it so you guys know that you can do it. A total of, let's see. I do have income reports that I need to show, so I will wait and actually share that information when I actually have the reports and I'm not having you guys suspended in mid-air there. And you guys are suspended because I have this retractable arm doofloppy that I ordered off of Amazon. Absolutely love it. Actually originally got it so I could actually put it on my bed and watch the, they call them the ASMR videos. I call it my train in the rain video that I like to sleep to. I go to sleep in about 5 minutes most nights, so I can wake up bright and early and work on my lovely journals. So there you have it. And if I can do it, you can do it. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it in its complete entirety one day. One day soon, because that is in the works as well. So once I get to that point, I will start sharing some lovely information. And I'm going to leave some links down below because I am working on a few more freebies, but I do have a freebie up on my website that you can grab at theunpopularmom.com and then click on Printables Hub at the top and it'll take you directly to where I have three freebies at right now. 2 of them are children's journals and then 1 is for moms. So go get your free journals. They are on there. The children's journals are there in its entirety. There's 2 different ones, and so go ahead and grab them. Have a great night. See you. Bye.